Good morning. Thanks for stopping by. I'm glad you're here. And thank you for the opportunity to talk to you about systems of equations. So, we are wrapping up chapter 6, and we're going to spend the next 2 days, this Friday and Monday, kind of practicing solving systems in a variety of situations. When you're in the classroom, there's, I believe, about 12 problems that you will select from. And we're going to form small groups of students, and you and your small group are responsible for coming up with a solution to at least 5 of those. And that will happen um, either this Friday for B group or Monday for A group. When you are away on your away day, you're going to do this assignment in Delta Math. And one of the things that's on here is there are many opportunities you'll see for you're going to be given a context and asked to write a let statement and then come up with the system of equations that could solve that. So we'll look at one of them together so you see how this works and we'll think about it. So a law firm is going to designate associates as partners to a big new case. Okay, a law firm is going to designate associates and partners to a big new case. The daily rate charge to the client for each associate is $700. Okay, so if you're a client and we assign like an associate to work on your case, so you've hired the law firm, you're the client, and you're going to need both some partners and associate lawyers to work on the case. They charge $700 for each associate that's working on the case, and the daily rate for each partner is $1,500. The law firm assigned a total of 11 lawyers to the case. So there's two kinds of lawyers here, right? There's the associate lawyers and there's the partners. There are 11 of those different types of lawyers assigned to this case, and was able to charge $14,100 per day for these lawyer services. Let's just get together and work our differences out. Write a system of equations that could be used to determine the number of associates assigned to the case and the number of partners assigned to the case. Define the variables that you use to write the system. So again, I'm seeing we've got associates and partners, so I'm going to use A and P. So one of my variables will be A and the other variable will be P. And I have options here. It is not the daily rate, not that. No, no. I want it to be the number of associates designated. Yes, so A is the number of associates that are working on the case, and P is the number of partners that are designated to work on the case. So there's two equations. I know that if I add the number of associates plus the number of partners, we're told that there were 11 lawyers in total, right? So there's 11 of them. So the associate lawyers plus the partners in the firm equal 11. And then we also have this equation that involves their money for their services. The associates cost $700 a day and the partners cost $1,500 a day. So I can say $700 times A. So if I have one associate only, that's 700. If I have two, that would be 1400 per day. So this is the amount of money per day for all of the associates, plus 1500 P. That would be all the money per day for the partners in the firm. Was it 1500? Yep. And together that has to be $14,100. So that adds up to $14,100. So I think this is it. Maybe. Am I sure? Okay. And once you're here, kind of looking at what they say kind of reinforces. So each associate costs the client 700 per day. So A associates will cost 700 times A dollars per day. Each partner costs 1500 per day, so P partners will cost 1,500 P times P dollars per day. The total amount charged is 700 times the A plus 1,500, which equals this. And then since there will be a total of 11 lawyers assigned to the case, associates and partners, we know that A plus P must equal 12. So anyways, you'll see a variety of problems that are similar to that. And then there'll also be some problems that just involve solving a system using either substitution or elimination. For all of the problems that you do in Deltamath, if on your away day, please make sure that you label in your notes Deltamath away, Deltamath away, and then show your work for these problems. And I will be collecting what you do during your in-class time. All right, I hope you have a great day, and hope you have a good time rolling in to the weekend, although some of you might be watching this on Monday. Thanks for coming by. I'm glad you're here, and I'll talk to you again later.